Are you still doing matching activities like this or don't know how to do it? Then in this Canva tutorial, I will show you how to do it properly the easy way using your free Canva account. Yes, you don't need a pro account to do this, so be sure to watch until the end. So the size I will be using here is A4 size. Go to Elements and search for the animals or anything you like. Be sure to filter the elements you will use into free so that you can download everything later. But if you have a pro account, you don't need to do this. So pick the animals you like from here. For this example, I will just do 3 animals. Then make sure to copy them on the other side. Then go to Edit, go to Filter, and look for Duotone Custom. From here, let's make both of them black so that they will be the shadow of the animals. To copy the style for the 2 remaining animals, click on the image, click on the 3 dots, click on Copy Style, and Copy Basic Style. Then, click the second image to copy it. You can also do it another way. Click this style button, click Copy Basic Style, and click on the last animal. Also, feel free to rearrange the shadow animals depending on your liking. Now, let's add some dots. Go to Elements and search for a circle. Make sure to make it look smaller and copy it to all the animals. Then, let's add some title here. Make sure that the font you will use is also free and has no pro symbol. And there you go. They also did some other designs. So if you want this free Canva template, comment down Canva template and I will share this with you. So be sure to follow my page for more and for you to stay updated. See you in my next video. Bye!